Let's dive into building your first Kajabi product, step by step. First, navigate to the Products section in your Kajabi sidebar. Then, click on New Product to begin creating your offering. Choose the product type that best suits your content. A circumflex euros, a course, coaching, downloads, or a bundle are all great options. We'll start with a course. Give your product a clear, compelling title and a captivating description. Upload a professional thumbnail that visually represents your offering. Next, let's configure your pricing. You can set up a one-time payment, recurring subscriptions, or flexible payment plans. For a one-time payment, simply enter your desired price and select your currency. Now, let's build your membership content. You can add existing lessons or create new modules and posts directly within Kajabi. Click Add Content, choose New Lesson, and start crafting your valuable lessons. Upload videos, text, or any other relevant media to engage your audience. Finally, decide on your product delivery. Will your students get instant access, or will you drip content over time? Once you've configured your settings, hit Save, and your product is ready to be shared. Now you're equipped to create and sell your expertise on Kajabi.